Alpha kids, we're learning meets fun. Hey kids, how are you all? Today we learned the alphabet P. The sound of P is Pa. Look how to write capital P. Make a straight vertical line from top to bottom. From the middle, make a small round curve on the right side. The small p is look like a capital P. P is a long stick with a half round tummy. Look the thing that start with alphabet P. P is for Panda. P is for pineapple. P is for papaya. P is for pool. P is for pasta. P is for pillow. P is for potato. P is for pizza. P is for pumpkin. P is for parrot. P is for park. P is for pencil. P is for pajamas. Kids, repeat with me one more time. Pa panda, pa pizza, pa potato, pa parrot, pa pool, pa penguin, pa pineapple, pa pencil. Well done, kids. Thank you for watching us. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.